The following how-to video applies to specific models and trim levels. Please take a moment to confirm this video applies to your Subaru. The Auto Start-Stop system is designed to automatically stop and restart the engine of your Subaru when your vehicle is stationary for a short period of time, like at a red light or a stop sign. Auto Start-Stop reduces fuel consumption, exhaust emissions, and idling noise. So that the feature does not impact performance or comfort, Auto Start-Stop constantly monitors your vehicle and will only automatically stop and restart your engine when the operational conditions are met for your Subaru. Here are some things you can expect when using Auto Start-Stop. When you first start your Subaru, Auto Start-Stop will wait until your vehicle warms up. You'll see the "Conditions are not met" icon. Once your Subaru is ready, the icon will disappear, and the next time you come to a complete stop, like at a red light or a stop sign, Auto Start-Stop will engage and turn off your engine. The Auto Start-Stop indicator light will turn green in your combination meter. When you release the brake, your engine will restart and the icon will disappear from view. If at any point during a trip the operational conditions are not met, you'll see the "Conditions are not met" icon, and the next time you stop, the engine will not turn off. Your Subaru tracks how much gas was saved and how much time the engine was stopped by Auto Start-Stop. This information appears each time Auto Start-Stop engages, and you can find this information anytime in your combination meter. Toggle the up and down arrows next to the I switch under the steering wheel until you see the Auto Start-Stop screen in your combination meter. To reset for a new trip, press the Trip Reset button to the left of the steering column. Auto Start-Stop is automatically enabled every time you start your vehicle. If you want to turn off Auto Start-Stop for a particular trip, select the car settings icon on the touchscreen. Select Auto Start-Stop and press it to turn it off. The icon in your combination meter display will turn yellow. Auto Start-Stop is off. If your vehicle is equipped with Auto Vehicle Hold, this feature works seamlessly with Auto Start-Stop. Auto Vehicle Hold keeps your Subaru stopped even after you've released the brake at complete stops. This can be useful at long stoplights or during traffic jams. To use this feature, select the car settings icon on the touchscreen. Next, select Auto Vehicle Hold. The indicator in the combination meter will illuminate. The next time you come to a complete stop, you'll see the green icon appear next to the Auto Vehicle Hold symbol. Auto Vehicle Hold is engaged and will hold your Subaru even after you've released the brake. To start driving again, you can either tap the brake or gently press the gas pedal to simultaneously restart your engine and release the Auto Vehicle Hold. Some drivers prefer to tap the brake first because it feels more familiar.